In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connections right away. Then you need to scroll down to tap on this section called More Connection Settings. And finally, select Printing at the top. Now tap on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so tap on yours. Make sure this switcher is blue, and wait! Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!